Hi guys, welcome to another video of Pyspark series. So in this video we will try to convert a JSON file to a Pyspark Dataframe. So for that I have already installed Pyspark on my current Google Colab notebook. So if you do not have Pyspark installed on your local machine, then you can of course use Google Colab notebook to try out different things in Python and PySpark. So for that I am using Google Colab. So let's get started with it. First of all, we will understand what is JSON. So JSON is basically JavaScript Object Notation. Is a kind of file which stores data, and it is considered as semi-structured, like the file generally holds semi-structured data. So for this particular tutorial I'm using a JSON file which is already available with the Google Colab notebook. So just click on this files section where you can find different files, and here this one. So this is the JSON file with the extension. You can see it is a JSON file. So I'll be clicking on it to just see what are the contents of that JSON file, and then we will further proceed with the reading of that file into our data frame. So let's just see what it includes. So you can see the JSON file is always enclosed with this square bracket, and that under that square bracket it can have multiple curly braces, and that curly braces can hold different type of data. So basically it is semi-structured data, can be used with primarily used with some NoSQL databases like MongoDB or Cassandra. So that is all about JSON basically. So let's get started with our PySpark code to in order to convert this data into a data frame. So let's get started. I'm creating a Spark session first of all. So just typing in basic command. You can skip this section if you already know all this. So now this is executed successfully. If you are getting some error here, so you can just check whether your PySpark is correctly installed or not into your system. So it will give you idea whether PySpark is there and will you be able to run further commands or not. So that is it. Let's create a Spark session. So now we have our Spark session in place. Let's use it to read our JSON file that is present here. So I'm creating a data frame named df and using spark dot. So this is the most basic syntax of reading a JSON file into PySpark data frame. You can add another parameters to it, and you can make changes to the to this syntax, but this is the most basic that you can go with. So I'm primarily going with this syntax only. So here I'll just copy a path from here. So here I'm copying the path of JSON file that is available with Google Colab notebook and just pasting it here. Then in order to see the data frame, I'll go with df.show, and I think this is enough to read JSON file into PySpark. So let's hit Control Enter and execute the command. Yeah, so you can see the data here. The whole data is popping up, and I think it is what you can see to the JSON file itself. So let me open the file quickly. So here it has basically created a column named series, and it contains different values for the series, like Roman 1, 2, and likewise I think 3 is also there, then 4 is also there. And as you know, as you already know that it shows only top 20 rows, so you can just get an idea. And here there is like it's just start of JSON. For that it is not showing any value in any of the column like series or X and Y. So you can see the capital X column shows different values. JSON is basically stores data in something like that key value pair. Everything is a key value in JSON. So you can see that this one series is a key, and then it has a value associated with it. So that is what is converted to column. So every key that exists in this JSON is converted to a column, and the values are just the data in that column. So yeah, so that's all for this video. I think I should also show you schema for this particular data frame. So I'm just printing the schema. Yeah, so you can see the series column is holding string values. X and Y are double, and then the corrupt record column, it is holding string values as well, and they are nullable. So I think that's why it's just not showing any corrupt record. As you can see, there is no key value pair for the corrupt record column. So that is how it reads data from a JSON to a Pyspark data frame. Hope you like this video, and if you like, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. It will keep me motivated for the next videos. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.